Hey MB crew, I'm gonna be here, so we're gonna jump right in. So I'm starting off on a stretch afro. I'll link some tutorials in the description box below on how to stretch your afro, and I'm just gonna spray my hair with a little bit of water to loosen it up, and I'm gonna part a section in the front away from the back section, and this is about how much hair I parted off. You can part however much hair you want off, it's up to you. I'm going to use this Shekinah gel leave-in conditioner to loosen up my hair and to be able to detangle it. And I'm going to take this rat tail comb and make my parts. Now I did detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb first, and I'm going to be using the touchdown edge control. I wanted a more softer hold, and this edge control does give hold, but it's not as hard as the other edge control. So I applied it to the section of hair, brushed it with my edge brush, and then I'm going to start doing my flat twists. Back in the day we called them twisties, but I know people call them like flat twists today. But yeah, so I'm going to be using the edge control to help seal my twist, and I'm literally just going to start twisting. Now you can do yours however small or big, you know, it doesn't matter, it's up to you, but this is the size that I decided to do mine at. And then I am going to put a black rubber band at the end. Now when I take these out, I just go ahead and cut the rubber bands out, and they don't like break my hair off or anything. I'm just going to repeat the same steps throughout the front section of my hair and detangle wherever I need to, but I'm only using the rat tail comb for parting. I am not combing through my natural hair with the rat tail comb, okay guys? So definitely do not do that. As you guys can see, I'm just smoothing my hair with the edge control, and then I'm going to twist. Now the edge control really helps with sealing in the twist and making the twist hold so that the twist stay in place and they will not unravel on you. So yes, you can use whatever edge control you would like, but like I said before, I wanted a hold but not a super hard hold, just enough to hold the twist into place. This style took me about 45 minutes to do, so it's a really quick and easy style to do on your hair or your children's hair. And this style will last you about a week to 2 weeks depending on how you care for your hair. You just have to make sure you are tying your hair up at night. That is definitely key. The reason why I have so many clips in my hair is because my hair always seems to like get in the way of the twist that I'm doing. So I use a lot of clips to like pin my hair back just to make sure they're not getting the twist as I'm twisting my hair, if y'all know what I mean. I did leave my curlicues out on my sideburns, but just a little bitty piece, not a big piece. And I just like curled it around with some edge control. This is definitely optional, but when I got done with my twist, I went back in and, you know, touched up my baby hair, but you do not have to do this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the back. So I'm spraying it with a little bit more water because it dried up, and then I'm kind of like combing my hair up in the way I want it to go. I'm using the Edge Booster Styling Gel, and I'm going to be mixing that with some Eco Styler Gel today because I didn't want a super hard hold. And I find that if you mix the two, it gives the right amount of hold if you don't want your hair to be like super hard, because you guys know with the Edge Booster just by itself, it will make your hair feel hard, but it does give great hold. But just go ahead and mix it and yes, it won't be super hard. But I do have a full review on the Edge Booster gel, styling gel. If you would like to check that out, it will be in the iCard section above and linked in the description box below. So I'm just brushing my hair up and smoothing it up with my hands, and then I decided to do a split right there at the top, but not a part down the back of my head, because I'm going to do 2 different ponytails, just so that I'm not putting so much tension on my hair, because I already have rubber bands in my head. I just wanted to show you guys another way that you could do it if your hair is short like mine. That way you're not putting so much tension, because I do read the comments and I see you guys, you know, concerned about the tension. So this is definitely another way to prevent more tension, and it works just fine. And then I'm just smoothing up the back of my hair with my hands, and I'm going to put on my scarf. Now I left my scarf on for about 30 to 40 minutes while I did my makeup. So, you know, just let your hair sit for a little while. As we all know, gel can make your hair look extra dull, so I'm going to spray some Lustrous Pink Oil Sheen on my hair. The ponytail that we'll be using is the FREETRESS Equal Synthetic Hair Drawstring Ponytail, and it is in the style Coil Up. And it has 4 combs and a drawstring. So I'm literally just going to lay it across my 2 buns, and it is long. I do have a tutorial showing you guys how to do a mohawk with this ponytail. I'll link it down below as well in the description box. So I'm just pulling the drawstring after inserting the combs on each side. I didn't insert the combs in the middle, and then I just used some open bobby pins to pin it where I felt like it needs to be pinned at, and then I just fluffed it out to my liking. This is how the style turned out. Super cute, really easy to do, beginner friendly. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram at MonaXBanks so I can see your beautiful style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.